What's up mga kapackers? How are you? Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about Air Jordan 11 Breds. Oops. Nice! It's your boy Packboy once again. Before we unpack or unbox or review these bad boy shoes, I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers, friends and family who supported me on my first vlog. And guys, pwede kayo manalo just watching on my YouTube channel or subscribing it. Just search on the YouTube Packboy channel. You may win a Kyrie 5 Pineapple House or a Jordan 1 Low Black Toe on your site. I promise you that. So unpack natin to. Review na natin guys. Focus! So this is the Air Jordan 11 Bred or Black Bred. It's a typical cardboard box. It's here, just do it. Nike logo, size tag. It works. Alam ko, marunong tayo magbasa. Sayang na lang. Na! Hello? Hello Jordan. Pwede ba bang humingi na isa pa? Joke lang. So this is your Air Jordan 11 Breds guys. The ballistic nylon, the leather pattern, the Air 23 Jordan, and the number 23 on it. See? And then carbon fiber. See that? Bad boy shoes. So may on-pick review tayo nito guys. Papakita ko nyo muna sa inyo. Diba? So may card pala siya guys. So I see it. It says Air Jordan 11. The Air Jordan 11 is one of the most iconic silhouette in the history of sneakers. This season Jordan brand celebrates this model by delivering detailed craftsmanship, honoring MJ's first Triple Crown run. League MVP, All-Star MVP, Finals MVP. This instant classic will leave you saying, it's gotta be the shoes. It's gotta be the shoes. So, mag-review na tayo. Let's go!
Original release in 1995, the Air Jordan OG 11 Black Red is an all-time favorite sneaker. As you can see, the pattern leather stitched to the side of the upper contains a white line. This is a way to distinguish an original Air Jordan 11 Black Red. The Air Jordan Black Red took Michael Jordan and the Chicago Bulls to another championship after defeating the Seattle Supersonics. Another unique addition to the Air Jordan 11 Black Red is the translucent red sole. The designer of the said shoes is Tinker Hatfield in 1995. The shoes was retroed 4 times, 2001, 2008, 2012, and now 2019. Here in the Philippines, there are so many retail shops aside from Nike's flagship store located in BGC High Street. I bought my pair in Titan 22, located also in BGC, for a retail price of 10,645 pesos or almost 220 US dollars. Thank you Titan for the win. As you can see, I'm wearing a white flag blue Jordan socks. I bought them in Nike for 700 pesos. Also, I'm wearing a classic Chicago Bulls bomber jacket which I bought online for almost 10,000 pesos. The shorts I'm wearing is from Forever 21 for 1,000 pesos. Pricey right? I'm not bragging that I can afford, but I saved those extra monies just to buy this. Always remember guys, save before you flex and live below your means. Once again, this is your boy, your friend, Mr. Pacboy. Thank you for watching my second vlog on Air Jordan 11 Breds. Stay in tune. I will be revealing the winner of Kyrie 5, Pineapple House, or the Air Jordan 1. Stay in tune also because I'll be unboxing, unpacking, and on-fit review on Adidas Yeezy 350s and Adidas Yeezy 700s. Thank you guys for watching.